Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Going to show you a pretty neat little design you can draw. Holding down the control button to get a perfect square. Go up to Object and convert it to a curve. Take the Shape tool and select all your nodes and right-click and turn them into a curve. Then if you will take just this one and use right here, rotate or skew nodes, and grab your handle and just kind of go up and over. And I wish there was a way to get it perfect. It has to be perfect, but you can always zoom in and put it right there on that line. Now that's a pretty cool design within itself. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate while holding down the control button. And then I'm going to check to make sure my lines are touching, and they are. And then I'm going to, because that way you know if you're square, Control D, hold down the control button and move it upwardly. Because if your lines aren't touching and they're not there, so I'm off somewhere, but we can do that because it's just a small little, minute little detail. I don't think it'll make the drawing any different. It's just all in my hand movement of my, and if you have snap to on, it'll snap to right there. That's pretty cool in itself, but then you could take your virtual segment delete key and delete this, and then you could fill these in with different colors. So let's take the Smart Fill tool. Let's just use that blue. So I've got a little link through the middle, but big deal. It didn't link into the other part. And then get your, let's use that blue and fill that in. That's a pretty cool little design, and you could still do a lot with it. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.